Welcome to the Guide to Completing an Objective Workpaper demo. In this session, we'll walk through how to complete a standard objective workpaper and show how to utilize the tools available. Let's get started. Select our Objectives demo project. In the Planning section, click the Project Scope tab to see our objectives. As you can see, we've already uploaded an Excel file of objectives to work with for this demo. Click the drop-down arrow to see the nested objectives. When expanded, we can see how the imported objectives are organized, including the objective name, optional description, and associated work steps in their respective columns. Switch to the Testing tab to see the objective workpapers. Then click Tests. This shows the title AP for this set of audit objectives. Click the drop-down icon to view the objectives. This view shows all of the audit's objectives listed, with their work steps nested within each drop-down. Click the drop-down icon to view the first objective's workpaper. A standard objective workpaper includes a work step table and linking fields for related workpapers, issues, and attachments. In this demo, we'll walk through completing an objective workpaper and submitting it for approval. Testing for an objective begins with the work steps table. There are several items to complete. Each row is a work step where we follow the instructions, record the test result, and capture details such as testing status and date completed. Let's start by entering a result. Now that we have a result, we can also augment our documentation with AI by clicking the AI icon. You can edit the suggestion in this text box, cancel the augmentation, or accept it as is. Click Use Suggestion to apply the changes to the test result cell. As you can see, our AI augmentation was applied. Next, we can enter today's date into the Date cell. Next, we can enter our initials into the Initials cell to document who performed the work. This is the Workpaper reference cell. Since this step only involves obtaining documents, we don't need to link a workpaper, but one could be added by entering the workpaper name here and attaching it in the File cell, or linking it later below. The next cell in the row is to track the work step status. Since we have completed this step, we can type in Complete. For the Hours cell, we'll note 1 hour used to complete this work step. Finally, any attachment specific to this work step can be uploaded in the Files cell. For this example, we'll attach the obtained documentation by clicking the File icon. After uploading the file using the standard operating system file explorer, you can see an attachment count here. We will fill in the next test step and scroll to the bottom of the screen to continue. The Workpaper Links field allows you to link control workpapers from the same project. Since we're only working with objectives today, we'll skip this field. Next, you can upload any additional attachments relevant to the entire objective here. Click the plus icon to upload a file. Here is the attachment we uploaded. The issue fields let you either create and link a new issue or link an existing project issue to the objective. Let's click the right icon first. To link an existing project issue, we'd select it from the drop-down, which pull from the Project Findings tab. Since this project is just getting started and no issues exist yet, we will not create a link and instead cancel out of this window. Let's create a new issue to link to this objective. Click the plus icon. This opens a new issue form with the project and objective test fields automatically filled in. We cover issue creation in more detail in another video, so we'll only fill in the required fields. Now that we have filled out the issue details, click the Save icon in the top right corner. Back in the project, we can see our new issue linked in the issue field. We can view it by clicking the blue link icon or delete it from the project if needed using the red trash can. Now we are ready to submit this objective for approval. Click the drop-down icon for the Approver field. Select Alex Morgan. If the tester wants to leave any context or commentary on their submission to the approver, they can enter it here. Click Submit for approval. As you can see, the work paper has been submitted to the selected approver. Thank you for working through this demonstration of how to complete and submit an objective work paper. Have a great day.